Hey, come cook dinner with me. You know that song where Julie Andrews is singing about her favorite things? Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Okay, I'm not a singer, but if I were to sing that song, Meatloaf would be in my lyrics for sure. You know, some people do fancy things with their meatloaf, bake and wrap it and do crazy things and all that, but I am a fan of straight up classic meatloaf. There's no funky veggies going on. It's just meat, some spices, and ketchup. That's right, we love ketchup. The beauty of this recipe is you can do whatever you want. Change it up. Enjoy.